These are real human brains, and they came from individuals who directly consented to donate their body to science after death. The brain is connected to this long tail called your spinal cord. Messages travel up and down the spinal cord at over 250 miles per hour. The spinal cord is protected by the vertebrae in your backbone. These yellow things represent nerves branching off your spinal cord. This is called the dura. It's a connective tissue that surrounds your brain and spinal cord and helps protect your central nervous system. The human brain is divided into two halves, and each half contains 4 lobes. The frontal lobe is responsible for higher level thinking and voluntary movement. The parietal lobe processes sensory information like taste and touch. The occipital lobe is primarily responsible for vision, and the temporal lobe is responsible for processing hearing. This part on the back of the brain is called the cerebellum. The cerebellum helps you stay balanced and also assist in fine motor activity. Finally, teenage brains are not fully developed. The human brain reaches full maturity around age 25. Now you know. Follow for more science videos. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.